I believe that it's grown because of the people. And the reason I say that is because we all come to work enjoying what we do. And when you enjoy what you do, you're going to work harder to grow what you work for.
There's a desire to solve existing problems, and there's a strong desire to satisfy the customers. Everybody's very much a team player. They're innovative in their way of thinking.
Team culture is very family here. Everybody is willing to drop anything and everything at any given time to help you out in any situation. So everybody's here to support each other. I really like that.
Over a course of 25 years, it has innovated as far as getting to be more products within the product line, new textiles, new ways to fasten the textiles, new components that we can sew into the textiles.
We can be as much or as little part of the manufacturing process as possible. We're able to take existing designs from our OEMs and turn them into physical products, or we can own the entire design process with our engineering department and take that from an idea to a solution in a short amount of time.
I think what makes Python unique is that we're not tied down to a few industries or a handful of catalog parts. And you can see that with some custom parts that we have out in the industry, like oil and gas, concrete, agriculture, transportation, aerospace. I would say that our true colors really shine when we are put to the test.
We provide value in a number of different ways. One, we want to present ourselves as a resource for the marketplace, not just for the people that we think there's a business partnership with, but for anybody because of the amount of experience we've had in the world of textiles.
The freedom that we have to innovate, to move forward, come up with new ideas, that's what excites me.
In the sewing department, they're constantly creating new parts, teaching us new things. We get together, we do 5 whys, lean manufacturing, and figuring out so that when the customer receives it, it's the best.
Yeah, we're the best!
We're the best!